Dear children, welcome grade 6. This is your Hindi third language, not a second language, third language video. I am your Hindi ma'am. Revati is speaking now. Dear children, we should be safe in this crucial time because you know that reason, because of that is corona. At the same time, you don't be afraid of this corona. You be safe at home. Whenever you are moving, use mask frequently. You wash your hands. And I want to tell one message. Mask is better than ventilator. Home is better than ICU. Prevention is better than cure. Is it clear? So, you be safe in your home. At the same time, I want to tell one more thing. Take healthy food. Already you know or don't know, but I want to say this one. You take a pepper added turmeric milk daily at night time in a cow milk half tumbler and pepper and turmeric added and boiled and then you drink. Understand? So this is increase your immunity power. So that's why I am telling now. Now let's start our class. Dear children, you know that Hindi Varnamala, that is Hindi vowels and consonant. First I want to tell Hindi Varnamala mein, that is in a kitne vyanjan, sorry, how many vowels and consonants are there in a Hindi language. First swar. Swar means what? Vowels. What is that? Vowels. See. Swar. Swar mein kitne, sorry, how many vowels are there in a Hindi letters? You see the first one, A, E, E. Just you listen this video. After I will teach in how to write the correct formation of the letters. Some of them students get so many mistakes then wherever you are going to write writing time. Just you listen. A, E, U, Re. It is not kruma, that is Re. A, I, O, Au, Ang, Aha. Once again, you see that. See. A, I, U, Re, A, I, O, Au, Ang, Aha. That is. And English letter also I have to write here for your identification. See, A sound, A, that is A sound you know, so this is A. And next one. I sound you know, E and E letter, E. This is for just your identification. And E, that is 2E. And U sound, U. And double O, U. Next, Re, alright, Re. Next one, A. Next, I. Next one, O. And Au. AU. Ang. Next one, Aha. Once again I teach you, listen. You to identify this English letter also. A, E, U, Re, A, I, O, Au, Aha. First, how to write one by one, then what mistake you will get. Listen, this is our notebooks. In a ruled note or broad line note, maximum students write like this in above the line. This is right or wrong? Wrong method. Then how to write a Hindi letter? You see, keep the finger on the below line. First you keep the finger on the line and you write below line like this. Understand? Why I am telling this? Because maximum students making this mistake while writing time. How? Above the line, writing to above the line, so this is wrong way. So how to write? In below the line. First you keep the finger on the line and then below the line you going to write. Is it clear? Now next one. So this also, see that. See very carefully and write. Next one. And next letter E. How to write this letter? This letter also some students write like this, not write like this one. How to write it? Which mistake you are making? See, this one. Is it correct? No, wrong. How to write it? Keep on the line and put like this and this. So this is E. What is this? E. This one is wrong. And next letter E. This letter making mistake. How do you know? How do you know that? See this E like this one. So is this right or wrong? Wrong. Because how to write this one? E. Right? Like this. And next letter is U. Some of the student making mistake like this one. So this also wrong. You don't write like this one. And U. How to write U? Like a 3. You know 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you keep it in mind this 3. Like that. You do write U. All the letters where you started in below line. Not above line. And next letter. Next one what? U after U. The same way. Keep the finger on the line and write like this and this symbol. U. U. And next letter Re. This also put one standing line like this slanting line and this one. Re. What is this? Re. Not Ru. Re letter. Say see that one step. First you put one standing line. After 2 slanting line from your left side. And then third step. In a right side like this opposite 3. You know this one. So you write like this. 3 like a opposite 3. So this is Re. First step you put one standing line. And from your left side 2 slanting line and start from your right side like a opposite 3. So this is very simple. Re. And next letter A. This letter also making mistake. How you know? See, like this. This is correct method, but some of them do that like this one. This is wrong and this is wrong. So how to write in a correct way? And some of them making this. So this is also wrong. How to write A? See, same standing line and slanting line. Write like this. A. That is A. And next one I. This also. See that the same A. You put matra in from your left side. Not some of them making mistake. How? Write like this. So this is wrong. Is it clear? So this is right method. I. What is this? I. Next one. O. Maximum students. This matra put like this always the matra put like this type. Is it clear? Now, what mistake you are making this type? So this is wrong. Next one, O. This also. See, O matra from your left side. This one. But in a wrong way, see that. This one is wrong. And some students are writing, while writing time, how this is O, no? See, in a center, start from in this letter like this. This is also wrong. Now you understand. O. Next one, Ow. This is correct method. Writing Ow. Some of them making mistake. See, this type and this is wrong. This both also wrong method. So then how to write Ow? First you write like A and put one more standing line and put in the last line the matra Ow. So this is the correct way of the writing Ow. Now once again I recall the same swar. In a Hindi letter, swar is 11. How many vowels in that? 11 letters. A. That is in a identification of that English letter. A. How to pronounce that? A. This one. A. E. E. U. U. Re. A. I. O. Ow. Aha. Is it clear? Now once again I tell the same. What are the mistakes you are making while writing time? See the first rules. First rules, what is that? You don't write in above the line. This is the main mistake for your writing time. So write a below line. So this is the correct way. Write a below line, not in a above line. Next. And another rule. All the matras. In what are the rules in this letter? So you must follow. For example, in a what is an A, I matra in opposite side and O matra, that also in opposite side, and Au matra it has two matra. Some of them writing like this type. So this is wrong. How to write? So this is the, see, you put a and make a matra like this. Is it clear? Now once again I recall this letter. See, A, E, E, U, U, Re, A, I, O, Ow, Aha. Dear children, already I told how many letters are in a vowels. 11 I told already. But you count here how many letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Why? Here having 13 letters. Do you know why? Because the vowels consider R to OW. These two letters is not in a dotted letter. So it is not considered in a this vowel. So that's why I am telling in a swar, in a Hindi mein vowels, how many letters? Only 11 letters up to A to OW. A se OW tak, that is in a vowels 11 letters. Now you understood? Yeah. Once again, what are the mistake you are making while writing time? I just recall that. First you write the letter, start from the letter below the line, not above the line, below the line. And making matra is in a, always in a, see, write E matra this way, and O matra in from this side, and OW matra also the same. Is it clear? Now next one, Vyanjan, consonant. We are going to learn consonant QC. The next Vyanjan consonant. What is that? Vyanjan. How many letters are in Vyanjan? Hindi letter में हिंदी वर्णमाला में कितने व्यंजन है? हिंदी वर्णमाला में व्यंजन 33. That is consonant in 33 letters. First, see, this also you write below the line, not above the line. See, I put a line and give a practice. This is your note in a ruled note, broad line note. The first one, how to write, you see. Put on a standing line. The first letter is Ka. What is that? Ka. Open your mouth and say Ka. What is that? Ka. In English, see. K-A, Ka. What is that? Ka. Next one. How to write this letter? Shall I give practice? See, one standing line and keep the finger on the middle of the line, one circle and put right like this. Is it clear? Ka, one standing line and do like this. Ka, what is this? Ka, K-A, Ka. And next letter. What is this? Kha. Ikka, ha, kha. How to say? Kha. See, write like this and one standing line, put like and join this. This is K-H-A, kha. See, do this. See the difference of these two letters. K-A, ka. K-A, ka. This is K-H-A, kha. The ha sound comes from your mouth. Ka. Now, how to write this letter? The first step, write like this symbol and one standing line. And in the middle, you put one like a circle. And the next step, see, join these two. So, this is Kha. What is this? Kha. Is it clear? Now, next letter. Gha. Sorry. Ga. What is this? Ga. Light sound. Ga. What is ga? This one K-A, ka. This is ga. Light. For example, we are telling now Ganapati, Ganesh. So that time we write in a G-A-N-E-S-H, Ganesh. Ganapati or in a in a glucose, glass, like in a G sound. But this is Kannan, Kalpana. So the sound difference between Ka and Ga. You understand? This is Ka, this is Ga. The name also I told. For example, this is G-A, Ga. What is that? Ga. How to write? It is very simple. Put like the symbol and one standing line. This is G-A, Ga. Next letter. This is G-H-A, Gha. Ga, Gha. See the difference? Ga. This is ha sound come with this letter. Gha. Say Ka. K-A, Ka. K-H-A, Kha. Ikka, ha. Kha. The next one. Ga. The sound should be come from our mouth. Ga. Lightly. Ga. Not stress. This is Ka. This is Ga. And next letter. Gha. Igga, ha. How to write this letter? For symbol this one and standing line. So very simple. Gha. What is this? Gha. Next, the last one, nya. What is this? Nya. This is for same, this look like a E. But now, what is the difference between two letters? Nya, this is E. What is different? This symbol, and here we put one dot in a center of this. Nya. In a Tamil, see. Nga. What is that? Nga. Now you understand. So this is ka varga. In a Hindi mein ka varga. In a rhyming word, in a flowy, how to say ka, kha, ga, gha, nya, like that. But you read in a separately. Ka, kha, next, ga, gha, nga. Understand? Now, cha varga. Next one, cha. Cha line. This is ka varga. Now this is cha varga. See how to write. Ma, this letter, maximum students, what mistake you are making, mistake you are making in while writing time. See, this line is there, no? See, here you put a line, sleeping line. But some of them doing write like this. So this is wrong. You put in a below the line, see, in a sleeping line, and one curved like a C and join with the right standing line. Is it clear? So what mistake you are making while writing time? You put in a write like this. So this is wrong. You don't write like this. How to write cha? See, one sleeping line below the line, give some gap between the writing, start to write. See, this is right way. What is this? C-H-A, cha. What is this? C-H-A, cha. And next letter, cha. What is this? Cha. This is cha. For example, Chandrasekhar, Chandra, that name. This one, cha, ha sound is come with the letter cha, C-H-H-A, cha. This is like in a ga letter, you know, ga. What is difference of this both letter? After I will tell. First, how to write this letter? Keep the finger on below the line, put right like this, and one symbol, sorry, this. This is cha. What is this? Cha. What is the difference? Already I told no, ga and cha. You see, this is gha. G-H-A, gha. This is C-H-H-A, cha. The difference between a symbol. So this one. Understand? Now, next letter, ja. See, write like this. This is J-A, ja. What is this? J-A, ja. How to write? One standing line, and left side you put a sleeping line and write like this. So this is J-A, ja. And next one. Jha. J-H-A, jha. See, this is already you know very well in a Hindi vowels E. So first you write like this and put a one sleeping line in middle of this letter and put in a standing line. So and join them. This is J-H-A, ja. Once again I recall all the letter, the ka varga, cha varga, how to pronounce properly. Children, again and again I told you, always when you start your Hindi handwriting, you keep the finger on the line and start right from below the line. See, the first letter Ka, K-A, Ka. The next one K-H-A, Kha. What is that? K-H-A, Kha. The next Ga. What is that? G-A, Ga. The next one G-H-A, Gha. What is that? G-H-A, Gha. And next Nga in a Tamil. This one in English Nga. How to pronounce that? Not Nya. Nga. That is. And next one Cha. See. C-H-A, Cha. C-H-H-A, Cha. J-A, Ja. J-H-A, Ja. And Nya. This is Nya. In a Tamil, this one, Nya. Now again I read this one. Ka, K-A, Ka, K-H-A, Kha, G-A, Ga, G-H-A, Gha, Nga. C-H-A, Cha, C-H-H-A, Cha, Ha sound. C-H-H-A, Cha, J-A, Ja, J-H-A, Ja, Nya. Is it clear? Now next one, Ta Varga. Sorry. Ta Varga. Then how? This is very easy to writing. See. Ta. If you not identify this letter, you keep it in a mind for an English letter. First one, C. You know C letter in English? Write A, B, C, D. This letter. You keep it in mind for this. Ta. This is T-A, Ta. What is this? Ta. T-A, Ta. And next one. This like a O. You know that in English letter O. So like that. But one put in a standing line. This is T-T-A, Tha. What is that? T-T-A, Tha. And next. This one write like a yes in a English letter yes. But you keep on you write on standing line. This is D-A, Da. D-A, Da. And next, the first letter you know, T-A, Ta. The same, but you put inside of the symbol like, write like this. This is D-D-A, Da. What is that? D-D-A, Da. And next, Na. You know the English letter U? Write like this U, and here you put one standing line. This is Na in English, but in a Tamil, Na. Moonu suli Na. Now once again I recall this. T-A, Ta. T-T-A, Tha. D-A, Da. D-D-A, Dha. Na. Ma, very simple. First two letters put stress and say Ta, Tha. Next letter light pronunciation. Da, Dha. All the letters same way. Ka, Kha. Light sound. Ga, Gha. The last one Na. And next Cha, Cha. The stress. Sorry. You could give a stress. Cha, Cha. And light sound. Ja, Ja, Nya. The next Ta Varga. Ta, Tha. Da, Dha, Na. Is it clear? The next line Ta Varga. See that. Ta. How to write? First you put Again and again I tell the same way. What? When you start the writing, keep the finger on the line and start below the line. You to start. Ta. This is T-H-A, ta. What is that? T-H-A, ta. And next one. T-H-H-A, tha. Next, the. Light sound. The. What is this? The. D-H-A, the. You don't confuse from tata line and dada line. See very carefully. These sound are ta, the, like that. This sound are ta, the, like the tongue is come outside from your mouth, the tata line. This ta line is in a upside. Ta, da, like that. So this one, the. This is the. D, H-H-A, the. And the last one, na. This is also in English na, N-A, na. But in a Tamil, na. See. Ta. T-H-A, ta. The tongue come out from your mouth. Listen very carefully. Ta. Tha. The. Na. This is in English both of in a N-A, na, but it is a mood sulina in Tamil and in Tamil rendu sulina. And also this is in this na also in Tamil, Nanban na. See, once again I recall these 4 lines. Ka, kha, ga, gha, nya, cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. This one. Ta, tha, da, da, na. This one. Ta, tha, dha, sorry, da, dha, na. Is it clear? The next one, papa line. What is that? Already we saw that in a 4 line. Kakka, chacha, tata, tata. That is in a ka varga, cha varga, ta varga, ta varga. And next one we are going to learn pa line. That is pa varga. This also how to write, you see. Pa. What is this? Pa. P-A, pa. Lips join and say pa. And next one. P-H-A, pa. That is in a ha. Pa. And next one. Ba. Bus. Ba. What is that? Light sound. Ba. And next one. Bha. What is that? Bha. B-H-A. Bha. And next last one. Ma. What is this? Ma. In a Tamil like this. Ma. Say once again. Pa. What is that? Pa. Pa. Ba. Bha. Ma. In English letter also P-A. Pa. P-H-A. Pa. B-A. Ba. B-H-A. Bha. Ma. Now, the next line, this is pa varga. And the next one, ya, ra, la, va. See. Ya. What is this? Ya. In Tamil, ya. And next, ra. We know that Tamil in a 2 ra is there, so ra. And next, la. This la and this one. And next one, va. What is this? Va. See. Ya, ra, la, va. Ya, ra, la, va. Now, and the next one is ma. How to write this ya? See. You know the how to draw in a nose, right like this. or in a opposite yes. Yes write like this and in opposite yes write like this. So in this way you start letter write like this on small curve and put in a standing line also. So this is ya. Is it very easy or tough? Very easy. And ra you know already very well, that is in a like a symbol in a ka. You know this? So write like in a half of the part ra. La. How to write la? One standing line. See very carefully la. One standing line and opposite side you put write like that. And sleeping line. La. And va and ba is both are very easy. You put one standing line. And in a circle in middle of the line, that is va. And the same you put in a center of the one slanting line, that is ba. B-A ba. The difference between the both va and ba is in a slanting line. Is without slanting line in middle of the circle, that is va. And you put in a slanting line, that is ba. Ma, why I am comparing these two letters and I am going to tell no, because then only you understood that letters how to write, because maximum of this letter are same in a one to another letter or coincide. You know, for example, ka and ra, and already you know I taught that this is gha, G-H-A, gha, and this is what? Cha. C-H-H-A, cha, and another letter dha, D-H-H-A, dha. These three letters, you see, the same no, only simple difference in these three letters. Ga write like this, in a small blended circle is that in a cha and in a dha. So this difference of these three letters, but in a same, in a common writing way, write like this. Is it clear? Gha, cha, da. And another letter, already I told va and ba. And one more letter, ra and ka. See, ra you write like this. And ka, write like this. And hereafter we are going to see in a shasha line also. So that also in coincide of this ra letter. So now I am teaching now. See. Once again I recall this. P-A, pa. P-H-A, pa. B-A, ba. B-H-A, ba. Ma. Next, ya, ra, la, va. The another one, shashaha. Sha. What is this? Sha. And this one, sha. S-H-H-A, sha. And sa. What is this? Sa. And next one, ha. Some of them students, we don't know how to write this. See, you put write like this in a yes da, and you put in a this. Is it very easy? Or you don't take your hand from the writing. You see, first you put standing line and half of the yes, and you come back reverse and write like this. Very easy, no? So, ha. See, sha. S-H-A, sha. S-H-H-A, sha. Sa. S-A, sa. Ha. How to write this one? First you put write like S, and you put write like this way. This is one way. Or another way is you put in a half S, you see, and you come back and put right like this. So this is ha. Here also some of the letters are same. You know, this is in a C. What is this? Pa. P-A, pa. You see, pa. At the same letter, you put in a slanting line in middle of the letter, that is sha. S-H-H-A, sha. Is it clear? These both letter. And the next one, already I told no, sa letter. See, this is in a ra. R-A, ra. And the same ra and sleeping line and one standing line, this is sa. S-A, sa. And the same way of the ka letter also. See. This is ka. So these three letters are like a same way. Dear children, and one more line that is in a Samyuktakshar. Iksha, Itra, Ignya, Sra. In the next we are going to learn that letter. And the last one, Samyuktakshar, that is Iksha, Itra, Ignya. You see that. Iksha, that is called in a Samyuktakshar letter in Hindi. I tell one step how to write this first letter. Iksha. K-S-H-A. Iksha. For example, the name of Akshaya. That is, Ikshaya is coming, no? So you use that Iksha letter. Akshaya. How to write this letter? See, the first step is one standing line. Another step, put right like this. And another step, you see this. And the next step, very simple. So this is Iksha. K-S-H-A. Iksha. That is Iksha. And the next letter, Itra. This is very easy. See, one standing line, put right like this. In an arrow mark. You know the greater than symbol or less than symbol. So the this symbol is used here. This is Itra. T-H-R-A. Pavitra, the name is there, no? So you use this letter Itra. This is very easy. Itra. And another letter Ignya. See, G-Y-N-A or G-Y-A, Igya. What is this? Igya. Iksha, Itra, Ignya, and the last letter is Sra. Sra. You know this symbol. For example, one standing line and write like this and put in a slanting line from your left side. So this is called, it is a Sra. So once again I recall this one, Iksha, Itra, Ignya. See, Iksha, K-S-H-A, Iksha, Itra or Ignya or Sra. In order wise, you see here. Iksha, Itra, Ignya or Sra. So these all in a consonant in Hindi Varnamala mein, Vyanjan. So how many letters are there in a Vyanjan in Hindi Varnamala mein? 33 letters. In a vowels, Swar mein 11 and consonant 33 letters. Just you know, that's why I am telling. So once again I recall this Iksha, Itra, Ignya or Sha. See, Sha, S-H-A, Sha. S-H-H-A, Sha. Sa, S-A, Ha. How to write Ha? Already I told, no? See, one write like S or you could write this one or write like this. Ha. And Iksha, Itra, Ignya. Sorry, this is Igya also is there. Igya and Sra. Dear children, I hope you understood this vowels and consonant. You give more practice for Hindi writing or else you don't know how to write. So the first rules in you start right in a below line. This is the very important. Is it clear? At the same time, you write neat handwriting. For a how to write in a neat handwriting in a ruled note. You start write in a ruled note. I hope you all understood this video. Dear children, again and again I tell you, be safe in your home because this is very, that is in a coronavirus. Thank you. Dhanyavad.